Wow, what a crowd. The movers and shakers of Rotary here. You are the movers and I'm shaker. Good evening, Governors-elect. Good evening. I envy each one of you for attaining leadership role at Rotary at such an exciting time. We have a new strategic plan that you will play such an important role in implementing. It is in your districts and in your clubs that it will be felt over the next 5 years. The Rotary clubs of the world are waiting for you. President-elect Holger is just as firmly committed to grow Rotary as our current president, Mark Maloney. And I promise I will continue this commitment as well. As governors, it will be up to you to implement the new club models and make sure we improve the experience for each and every Rotarian. Friends, the world is waiting for you to increase and invite them for membership in Rotary. You are also becoming leaders at a time when we fully integrate Rotaract into everything we do. It will be up to you to take advantage of this incredible passion and the leadership skills of the Rotaractors. Let us ensure a smooth and seamless passage for the Rotaractors to become Rotarians. The world of Rotaract is waiting for you. Our historic effort to end polio continues to show progress. We have eradicated type 2 and type 3 polio everywhere in the world. Very soon, the entire continent of Africa could be declared free of polio virus, wild virus. It's you. I encourage you to put your best foot forward to end polio. The children of the world are waiting for you. We are also about to introduce a very exciting program called the Programs of Scale. When you live in a country like India and see the incredible projects and the impact of service projects on a day-to-day basis, you always want that you had a little more, so that many more lives could be saved. I firmly believe that an organization which has a strong legacy as ours should take up programs at country level. That is the Programs of Scale. Governors-elect, your country is waiting for you to make a difference. So this is an incredibly exciting time. President-elect Holger talks of Rotary opening opportunities. Those doors have been flung open for you, Governors-elect. The impact of Rotary service can make on the lives of people around the world is growing larger every year. The world of service above self is waiting for you. President-elect Holger also said something very profound in his theme speech. Rotary means different things around the world. It means different things to different people, and we need to take full advantage of that value proposition. Rotary is about service above self, but it is also about integrity. It is about the four-way test, and it is about fellowship and making connections around the world. This is our time to take Rotary to the next level, to grow our organization in number and in spirit. The Rotary world, Governors-elect, is waiting for you. Governors-elect, let me end with a story. Raju and Ravi studied together in school, then in college, and they both got into army together. And then there was war. Both were on duty at the war front. There was heavy gunfight on either side. And suddenly, the two of them got separated. Then suddenly, Ravi could hear Raju crying out for help. As Ravi got up to go and help Raju, his superior said, no, sorry, you cannot go. There is heavy crossfire. I'm already low on people. I cannot lose you. Do not go. Ravi had no option. He had to wait. But in a little while, Raju again cried out for help, and this time Ravi could not help himself. And he got up and went to Raju. And just when he reached Raju, he saw Raju smile faintly and breathe his last. A dejected Ravi picked up Raju and brought him back. His superior said, look, I told you it was not worth it. Ravi said, it was worth it, because when I reached, Raju was alive, and the last words he said was, Ravi, I knew you would come. Governors, in our war against illiteracy, hunger, homelessness, poverty, water scarcity, disease, let us reach out and serve people who need to be served, and let the world say to Rotary, we knew you would come. Thank you.